Look at the sun, the day has started, the work's begun. If you wanna know when, if you wanna know how, you gotta learn the words for then and now. ¿Qué hora es? What time is it? The day's moving, don't you quit. Hoy is today, mañana tomorrow. Time is a gift that we don't have to borrow. Ahora means now, let's start it right. From the morning sun to the middle of the night. In the early light, when the world is new, la mañana is waiting for you. When the sun is high and you need a bite, la tarde's afternoon, glowing bright. When the stars come out and the work is done, la noche is the time for the resting to come. ¿Qué hora es? What time is it? The day is moving, don't you quit. Hoy is today, mañana tomorrow. Time is a gift that we don't have to borrow. Ahora means now, let's start it right. From the morning sun to the middle of the night.
Tengo hambre, I'm hungry, it's true. El desayuno
Is waiting for you
el almuerzo.
in the middle of the day. La cena sends the hunger away.
¿A qué hora?
At what time
You ask.
to finish the day and finish the task? Ayer was yesterday, that's in the past. Hoy is today, let's make it last. Mañana is coming, a brand new start. Keep the Spanish rhythm inside of your heart.